Hi my friends, today I'm filming you a very special video. In fact, I am at the Notre Dame Basilica in one of the highest parts of Algiers. I am above Bebloued and Boulourin, the neighborhoods of Bebloued and Boulourin, visiting the Notre Dame Basilica here in Algiers. There it is, the Basilica, one of the oldest churches here in Algeria. Over there, I think it's the headquarters of the Catholic Church here in Algeria. And well, this is a walking tour around this wonderful architectural feat and this very beautiful tourist site. So many people come to visit this place. This church or basilica was built in they started building it in colonial times in 1858, I think, and it was completed in 1872. So there is a cableway station over there. Let's avoid that dumpster. So there is a cableway station over there where you can see that portal, and there is a wonderful view from here, breathtaking view. So we will be filming the church, and also I'm just walking across this parking lot. So this is the parking space, the parking lot in this place, and you can see that small esplanade over there. And well, that's the Basilica again, so you can see it, the Notre Dame Basilica, or Notre Dame d'Afrique. People locally call it l'Église, or the church, simply the church, and it's a Catholic church. So you can see the stadium, the Boulourin Stadium here, and all the neighborhood underneath us. Over there, or down there, is Boulourin. So the Boulourin Stadium is in fact the home stadium of the local USMA team, Union Sportive Musulmane d'Alger, and you can see the Algiers Bay over there. It's such a wonderful view on the sea. You can see how big Algeria is, and how wonderfully this place overlooks the sea. Now let's continue our walking tour. Many people come to visit the place. I remember visiting this place ever since I was a kid. It's such a beautiful place. Oh, there is a Christian Christian cemetery underneath us down there. Okay. In fact, the basilica is open to the public, to visitors, to visit it. You can see it over there. Opening hours are displayed over there. So it opens in the morning, and then it opens again in the afternoon. All right, as you can see. And we are 127 meters above sea level. That's not very high compared to the Basilica plateau we visited last time, which is at 700 meters above sea level. It would snow there when it doesn't snow in the rest of Algiers. Just look at those beautiful houses underneath us. All that is part of the neighborhood of Boulourin. And Boulourin, the name Boulourin is, Boulourin, the neighborhood was named after a prince of the Zirid dynasty. That prince who, Berber prince or Amazigh prince, who made Algiers the capital of the Zirid dynasty. You can see how beautiful this place is. Countless people visit it around the year. The sea is well, more or less calm today. There are a few waves on the sea, on the shore. Oh, and that's Bab el-Oued over there. Okay, all those white buildings are part of Bab el-Oued. You can see the beach, you can see the Ramila beach, and also the El Katani swimming pool. It's a very beautiful place to visit too, because there is a walkway there, and people would go and walk there and enjoy a beautiful view of the sea. It's very near the sea there. Let's have a better shot of Bab el-Oued on this side. You can see the El Qattar cemetery on the right, and the rest of Bab el-Oued. And then look at that right in the middle of the screen over there. The minaret of the Algiers Grand Mosque is visible. It's visible, it's over there. And well, that minaret is Algeria's tallest structure. And it's also, the mosque itself is the third largest mosque in the world, in the whole world. And now, okay, let's film the final part of this video by trying to have, film the whole building in one shot. Okay, you can see it with the statue of the Virgin Mary on the top of that, of the entrance to the building, to the Basilica. And there is a statue of the Cardinal de la Vigerie. Cardinal de la Vigerie, okay? So he's, the chief of the Catholic missionaries here in Algeria. So, but he's also a very, he's very infamous for having tried to Christianize Algerians back in the 19th century. So he's a very controversial figure, historical figure, and that's his statue that the French installed here in the 1920s in order to pay homage to him. But all right, so apôtre de l'Afrique, apostle of Africa, centenaire de sa naissance, the 100th anniversary of his birth. So he was born, the statue was erected in 1925 in order to celebrate the 100th anniversary of his birth, because he was born in 1825, 5 years before the French started colonizing Algeria. And what you see, I mean, the hill over there is in fact, the top of the mountain, and it's Bouzerria. That hill is Bouzerria. I once filmed a video, the Sidi Benor, on the Sidi Benor road, on how to drive from, Bouzerria to Sidi Benor, and you can also see that cableway station over there. cableway station. So the cableway continues all the way from the lower parts of Algiers as up to the top of the mountain over there in Basilica, on the road of the observatory. So that cableway station leads to the road of the observatory. So I guess that I have reached the end of this video. I hope you liked it. This is such a beautiful place to visit, and in fact, if you liked my video, please click on give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button in order to receive notifications on future videos of this type that I will be filming. Okay, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.